everybody. Welcome back. Bike over here. Welcome, everybody. Today, I want to show you how to get your Bitcoin white paper from your Mac computer. So, if you have a MacBook or like you have Apple computer, try this out to see if you can find the Bitcoin white paper. So, I'm gonna show you this step. This is how I find it on this computer here. So I'm gonna show you the step you can do, you can go to find it. So the news just broke that you can Bitcoin white paper is hidden away in Mac OS system folder for some reason. So basically, you go down here. They're gonna show you the steps. You open, and then I'm gonna put this link below so you could go find it yourself. But I'm just gonna simply follow these steps. Right? These the steps over here. You see, just these steps. I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna open the system, and I'm gonna go to library, check image, capture devices, VirtualScanner, that app, content, resources, all is step by step, and then I will find it. So first, you go on the top corner of your Mac. So on the top of it, you see the Apple sign and Brave. So you go on File, right? So you click on File, and then you go on Open File. So you click on Open File. So when you go on Open File, so you're in the system now, and then this is you go on Library. You see you have the devices over here. So you go down to Library. So you go on Library, and then you go on Image. So I'm just following the steps. So this is Library. I'm just gonna go on Image, right, from Library. So Image, Capture. This is Image Capture over here. So Image Capture, and then I'm gonna go on Devices. So that's a step, Devices, and then you go Virtual Scanner. So this is Virtual Scanner over here, and then you click on Open. So it send you here, and then you click on Content. This is Content, and then you after Content, you go on Resources. This is Resources, as you can see, and then you go simply on simpledoc, simpledoc.pdf. Boom. Yeah, here it is, the Bitcoin white paper. So amazing. It's so amazing. Like, there's an engineer where I work, and I didn't just want to tell him buy Bitcoin. I didn't want to tell him go that I didn't want to just start telling him all the things about Bitcoin. So I just tell him, I know you're an engineer. You may be you may understand what this means. So I sent him to go read the Bitcoin white paper, and his mind was blown. What he saw, he said he didn't think, he was not expecting that from Bitcoin because of what the media say. So now most people have this in their computers without even know, which is like so powerful. And I even myself, I always come back to this white paper to read it like over and over and over. Like it's so profound what this white paper is, and most people don't even understand. Even those people in crypto, they don't even know what the hell they are doing. They don't even understand the problem Satoshi solved with Bitcoin, proof of work. So, anyways, guys, double check it, check that, and just read it again and try to see if you can find that on your computer. So this was Pike Over, and I'll see you again. I'm out.